Guys, I will be sharing with you how I make my onion juice for hair growth. So let's dive right into the video. I am going to be using the purple onion. So first I'm going to cut it into the half. Yes, I'm going to get the peeling off it. Yes. Remove that peeling. After removing the peeling off the onion, then I'm going to wash it before chopping it off and putting it into the blender because I want this onion to fit into that blender. That's why I chop it off little bit. Chop. All right, let's talk about onion little bit before we get into the blending and mixing part. So onion is one of the most available ingredients that is not only healthy for our body, it's also good for our hair. Onion is from the allium plant family. This plant are highly packed with sulfur, zinc, copper, vitamin like minerals. The sulfur in onion is really amazing for healing the scalp because it kills bacteria and fungi, which explain why it is good for dandruff. It increases blood flow to the scalp, which helps stimulate healthy hair growth. So I am just squeezing out the juice from this blended onion, and after I am done, I will just put it into the spray bottle. Yes guys, and spray around my edges and gently massage it, and do the same with my scalp. Spray on my scalp, gentle massage it, and I will leave this in my hair for like 30 minutes. Sometimes I leave it in for like 1 hour, and after that I will rinse it out. One more thing, let me tell you guys, never ever sleep with the onion juice on your hair because it's gonna sting real bad. It doesn't have a pleasant scent to it, but it does do a good job. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Bye bye.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.